Some iPhone 6 Plus owners may be upgraded to an iPhone 6s Plus for free. If you own a relatively old iPhone 6 or 6 Plus model, you can restore it to former glory via simple battery replacement. Many of the iPhone 6 units still in use likely have chemically aged batteries, which trigger iPhone slowdowns. For $29, you can have your battery replaced at an Apple store, instead of the previous $79 repair fee. In an interesting turn of events, however, it looks like iPhone 6 Plus owners may qualify for an even better deal, a free upgrade to iPhone 6s Plus. Don and number 039 Miss, the ultra-slim iPhone X case made of real body armor is finally back in stock on Amazon. An internal Apple document distributed to Apple-authorized service providers on Friday, and seen by Macrumors, explains the new policy. Apparently there's not enough iPhone 6 Plus stock to go around for whole device replacements, and a previously leaked document confirmed that Apple doesn't manufacture the iPhone 6 Plus anymore. Apple isn't selling any iPhone 6 version in its stores, though some carriers still do. Orders for whole unit service inventory of some iPhone 6 Plus models may be substituted to an iPhone 6s Plus until the end of March 2018, the memo says. Apple does not explain what would make an iPhone 6 Plus eligible for a whole device upgrade. But Macrumors points out that the move may be linked to the iPhone 6 Plus battery shortage that was reported recently. A report said a few days ago that replacement batteries won't be available for the iPhone 6 Plus model again until March or April. Macrumors notes that Apple can replace the display, battery, speakers, rear camera, or taptic engine in stores. Other repairs, however, may need whole device replacements. Will Apple stores upgrade your iPhone 6 Plus just because you don't want to wait until March or April for a new battery? You can always schedule a Genius Bar